Gearheads, listen up. A legend is returning, but not as we knew it. The 2025 Ferrari 812 Superfast is here, and it's a glorious farewell to a bygone era. Buckle up, because this isn't your grandpa's Ferrari. Raw power, refined control. Under the hood, the iconic naturally aspirated V12 remains. But for 2025, Ferrari has dialed it up to 11 expected jump in horsepower, pushing past 800 and shaving precious milliseconds off your 0 to 60. Technical whisper, think lighter components, a revised intake system, and a smarter engine management system. Basically, this translates to mind-blowing acceleration. The car anticipates your desires, responding instantly with a ferocity that will pin you to your seat. Design evolution, sharper, edgier, the design stays true to Ferrari's heritage, but with a modern twist. The lines are sharper, the stance lower, and the prancing horse emblem gleams with renewed purpose. Look closer, you'll find sleek LED headlights and taillights hiding the latest tech. Aerodynamic tweaks ensure this beast stays planted, even at blistering speeds. Inside the cockpit, luxury meets high-tech. The new infotainment system seamlessly integrates with the car's performance features, while high-resolution displays deliver everything you need in a clear, stylish way. A collector's dream, a driver's thrill. This isn't just about speed. The 2025 812 Superfast is a collector's dream, a swan song for the naturally aspirated V12. But it's also a driver's thrill ride, a fusion of power, elegance, and cutting-edge technology. This is for those who crave an unforgettable experience, the pinnacle of automotive design and performance before a new era dawns. It's a chance to own a piece of history, one that will turn heads and leave you breathless behind the wheel. It's a legend reborn, ready to take you on one final, glorious ride. Want to learn more about this incredible machine? Check out the links below. Let us know in the comments, is the 2025 812 Superfast a worthy successor?